Hi users, this is the second video for the follow-up sequences, and in the previous video I told you about the follow-up sequence email, follow-up sequence text, and follow-up voicemails template. Over here you need to add your templates like email, text, and voicemails as I discussed in that video with the replacement tags. For example, if you want to send the first name, you want to replace the city, state, code, zip, and all of some other things like signature, etc. you can do over here. Now, after making the template in this FU Sequences template app, you need to go directly in your Seller Leads app. Make sure that when you are initiating a follow-up sequence, first thing your acquisition manager is filled, your full name, which is coming from your first name, last name, these fields are filled correctly. It should not happen that, okay, you are starting a SMS follow-up sequence and there is no phone number filled. So that's not how it's going to work. If there is no phone number, then no SMS is going to get sent. Make sure that we are starting an email campaign, so email is filled over there. The properties over there and some other information are also filled. Now you can go directly to your follow-up sequence bar, which is over here, and you need to select this cold lead follow-up. Make sure whatever name you are typing over here, it is added over here. Then I will select this follow-up selection. After that, a link is going to get generated, like click here to start a new cold lead follow-up sequencer. I am just going to click on this hyperlink and it's going to open another tab which is going to tell me that okay, cold lead follow-up sequence has been started. You may close this window or tab. I will close the window and you have to wait for 30 seconds because there is a delay of 30 seconds that your sequence is going to get started. Now you see over here the follow-up sequences field is automatically populated, and this field has a link to FU Sequences app. Now this exactly looks like your follow-up sequence template, but it has some of the differences like status field and other things, type, seller or buyer. This active shows that your status is active and this follow-up sequence is active. For example, if you want that your lead should stop sending the follow-up sequences or it should stop it, you just need to go over there at the bottom over here and open this follow-up sequence and just hit cancel. Okay, now you see over here the after we clicked on this link and the follow sequence started, there is sp command and this. Okay, so over here this thing is not replaced, but in your actual SMS this thing will be automatically replaced. Also, hi Stanley, how are you? And these things are going to automatically get replaced over there when you are going to receive that email. Okay, so these are the things which you need to take care of, and it says the sequence cold lead follow-up was started, as well as your logs, okay, email logs and your SMS logs are also filled. I will take care of this thing and that it should be updated over here. Understand that this will make it more system proper. Okay, so this is how the things are made. Now when someone replies back to you, for example you're sending a follow-up sequence and the main idea is that follow-up the lead which whom we are following, so that person replies to you. So whenever a lead replies back on the email, you are going to see over here, and the sequence is going to get cancelled automatically. Okay, so this is over here, text reply has been received, stop, and over there you're going to see that the follow-up sequence, it automatically gets cancelled. Okay, so over here when I refresh the item, I will see that the follow-up sequence is cancelled because the text reply was received. So this is how your follow-up sequence are going to work when someone replies via email or when someone replies via text. These follow-up sequences are going to get cancelled. So you need to check the activity And because the main objective of the follow-up sequence is that whenever a person, for example, the person replies stop or the person replied okay, I'm interested, so you need to check that why your follow-up sequence has been uh, cancelled. Okay, for example, if you want to start two follow-up sequence, well, I recommend you should not. But in case sometimes it happens that person wants two follow-up sequence to get started, then in that case, you can also start another one, not interested, and you can click on this one. So it will start another sequence. Okay. After that, you can start another sequence and it will ask you a warning that, hey, one or more sequence are already with the lead and they're active. Do you want to start another one? So you can say, yes, I want to start another one. You can click on that link. So this is how your follow-up sequence are going to work.